Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fireman's helmet. Let's start off by drawing the brim of the helmet with a line that curves to the left like so, then a tight turn back and up, and then curves back on itself again on the other side. For the badge, draw a shield shape with a line at an angle that turns and goes straight down like this. Then, mirror the line to finish the shape. This is the custom badge that identifies who the firefighter is. For the helmet, start here and draw a semicircle on top. Then, connect the top of the semicircle to the top of the badge. Underneath, draw a similar curve to the top of the brim like so, followed by a line curving down and slightly to the left. Then, turning and curving down and to the right, and add an almost straight line going up to the brim. For the eye protection, start here and draw a line that goes out to the right with a small bump and then curves up to the brim like so. From this point, draw a line curving down and slightly to the right that turns and goes to the left with a gentle curve going up and back down. This is a fire-resistant material that protects the neck of the firefighters. To add some detail, draw a strip along the bottom of the neck protection. Then, add some curved lines going from the top of the helmet down to the brim. And add two short diagonal lines on the eye protection to show that it's shiny. Lastly, draw a small arch on the badge like so, with a number underneath for the ID number. And now you got a firefighter's helmet.